From WKRG News 5, the Gulf Coast news leader, the news starts now.
Hi everyone, I'm Peter Albrecht in tonight for Mel Showers.
And I'm Roseanne Haven. Thank you so much for watching. First on 5, guilty of felony murder. That is the verdict in the murder trial of Hiawatha Robinson. He is the man that a jury has now decided did kill his 8-year-old daughter Hawaa while sodomizing the little girl 2 years ago. Jurors began deliberating this case around 3 o'clock this afternoon. It took them about 2.5 hours to reach a unanimous decision. This is a case so many have been watching, as it's one it has touched our community greatly. News 5's Allison Spann was there as he faced the jury and heard their verdict. She joined us now live from Government Plaza. Allison.
That's right, Roseanne. We've been here all day since closing arguments started at 8:30 a.m. this morning. Everyone has been waiting here on the 8th floor for the jury to come to a verdict. It took them about 3 hours, and we were told that the jury had come to a verdict. Everyone came into the courtroom. Hiawatha walked into the courtroom, and as he awaited to hear what the jury was going to convict, if the jury was going to convict or acquit him, we read that. The jury read that, and he was convicted of felony murder in the murder of his 8-year-old daughter Hiawayi Robinson 2 years ago. Now, this has been a huge case. It's probably the biggest murder case that Mobile County's seen in the past 10 years. When she first went missing, there was a huge outpouring of support, everyone coming together, trying to find this little girl. Everyone grouped together at the apartment complex, St. Stephen's Woods, where she went missing, and her body was found 2 days later on Rebel Road in Pritchard, Alabama. Now, again, a huge case. This trial has been going on now for 11 days. I've sat through almost every day of this trial, and you know, it's been intense, it's been emotional, and today was probably the highest emotions everyone had because everything was coming to a conclusion and everything was wrapping up, and people were very emotional. And when the jury read their verdict, everyone was very emotional. Hiawatha's mother, as well as Yosha, who is Hawaii's mother. So that's what we have right here happening at the courthouse.
Allison, can you tell us, since you were there, did you get a chance to see his facial expression when he learned that the jury found him guilty?
I could not. He was turned towards facing the jury, so I could not see his facial expression, but I know that his family members all walked out of the courtroom rather quickly, all crying, heads down, did not want to speak to the media, so I imagine that he had a similar reaction, not very happy, pretty upset with the verdict that the jury came down with.
Now, Allison, the district attorney, Ashley Rich, she was just behind you. Could you possibly get her and us talk to her? She is in the courtroom. It looked as if she wanted to come out and talk to us.
Okay, hold on. Let me go in. I'll try to see if we can get her.
Yeah, and there she is. Perhaps she can talk to us.
Would you do a live interview with her?
Yes, briefly I will.
Okay. Okay. With me right now, I have Assistant District Attorney Jennifer Wright. Now, she's been trying this case. Seen her in here every day. She's presented a lot of evidence. What do you think about the verdict that the jury came down with?
We are extremely happy with the verdict, and this is a difficult case, been a difficult last 2.5, almost 3 weeks with this jury and with this evidence, and we're happy that justice was served for Hawaa.
What has it been like working with the Populus family? Were they happy with the verdict? Did they think he did it the entire time? What was that like?
I think that it's been a difficult journey for the Populus family, and it will continue to be a difficult journey for them in losing their child and having to have some acceptance that someone that they knew in their family would do something like this to Hawaa. So certainly I think today brings some closure for them and seeing justice served, but it's also a difficult day.
Now, are you confident that you got the right person? Because I know Jeff Dean was trying to throw doubt into the case the entire all 11 days. So are you confident?
I'm extremely confident, and so is the jury.
All right. Thank you so much. I
Thank
appreciate it. We just heard from Assistant District Attorney Jennifer Wright. She tried this case. Ashley Rich did not try this case. It was the Assistant District Attorney. She's been here all 11 days. She presented a mountainous amount of evidence, all of which the jury had to go through, which is quite surprising how they came to a decision so quickly in roughly 3 hours.
Yes, there was a... Go ahead.
Thanks very much, Allison Spann, reporting from Government Plaza. Now, there was no direct evidence in this case. There were no witnesses and there was no DNA, but circumstantial evidence proved to be enough to convict Robinson, and quickly. News 5's Ashley Knight is live at Government Plaza with more on the role that circumstantial evidence played in this case.
That's right, Peter. Now, just before the judge allowed the jury to go, before they deliberated on their verdict, he told them that circumstantial evidence should carry just as much weight as direct evidence. And in some cases, as we saw today, it is enough to convict someone. There was quite a bit of circumstantial evidence in the trial of Hiawatha Robinson. One was video surveillance from the Best Future gas station that showed a maroon Tahoe. Assistant District Attorney Jennifer Wright says Hiawatha admitted it was his truck in the video, although changed his answer later on. The video shows the Tahoe again on the road around the time Hawaii left the gas station. Another bit of circumstantial evidence was the clear bead found in Hiawatha's car. The defense says this meant nothing since they had lots of beads in the house, but the prosecution pointed out that there was just one in the truck and that it was found in the cargo space in the very back of the truck, as opposed to the back seat or front seat where Hawaii would be likely to sit. Also, Hiawatha was seen on his home surveillance going back and forth from the house to his Tahoe 4 times that night and in the rain. The prosecution points out that he clearly parked in an area where the car itself could not be seen by security cameras. Prosecutors say Hiawatha was annoyed by police interviews and did not ask if they had any new leads in the case. The prosecution also says Hiawatha lied about where he was during a certain time frame, since the cell phone towers pinged his cell phone in another part of town during that same time frame. Those same cell towers put him near the scene where Hawaii's body was later found.
It pinged off a tower. He could have been across town at pinging off a tower. That's not right there on Rebel Road. That's just not correct.
Again, in several cases in the past, the judge pointed out it has been enough to convict someone. Now, we saw in this trial there was no DNA evidence. All the DNA evidence was inconclusive, as well as any bodily fluids that were detected on Hawaii's outfit. And again, as he said, it was enough to convict someone, as we saw today. Right now, live outside Government Plaza, Ashley Knight, News 5.